Water is life for all living beings, but stagnant or standing water is a sign for Michigan homeowners that there are issues with drainage and water management on their property. If you see standing water in or around your house, you shouldn't ignore it or think it will go away by itself. Ignoring standing water can cause various dangers to you and your family. Additionally, standing water is a symptom of a bigger underlying problem or problems that must be addressed as soon as possible. Here are some effects of standing water you must be aware of. Standing water is ideal for insect breeding as they need wet conditions to thrive. Insects like mosquitoes, ants, cockroaches, termites, and ticks reproduce in wet conditions. Insect infestation in or around your house is dangerous as it carries various diseases. Vermin, like mice, rats, and possums, also look for wet places and cause severe problems and inconveniences, such as spreading diseases, biting, and leaving waste. Mold and mildew grow in standing water. Wet conditions in your house allow mold to produce poor air quality and ruin furniture, clothes, and other items with porous surfaces. Mold makes your house smell unpleasant and causes a wide range of diseases, some critical. Removing mold is a complicated process that takes a lot of time and money while putting your health at risk, so it's better to prevent it from spreading by immediately getting rid of standing water. So what are the causes of foundation damage? Standing water will seep into your house foundation if left unattended for a long period and cause shifting and bowing of your home structure. Whether the standing water is in your house or around it, it can lead to the breakdown of your home's foundation. Structural collapse can happen if the problem is ignored for a long time. Signs that your house has foundation problems include stuck doors and windows, concrete cracks, squeaking floorboards, tilting chimneys, and uneven floors. What about electrical hazards? It is known that water and electricity don't mix well. Therefore, standing water in your house is an electrical hazard as any electronic system can cause an electric shock to anyone touching the water. Water will damage various home systems, such as the furnace, air conditioning units, and water heater, and react with their electrical parts. It will be expensive to repair these systems, and the structural damage caused by standing water and the electrical hazard is too dangerous to ignore. How to prevent standing water? Homeowners in Michigan need to prevent water leakage in or around their houses. Ensure your roof drainage is unobstructed. The downspout will drain water away from your home foundation. If you have sprinklers, ensure that they are working properly and make them run less than usual if there is standing water around them. If water is leaking inside your house, find the source of the leak and fix it as soon as possible. Shut off the water valves once you have located the source and clean up the water as much as possible. If you don't know how to fix the water leak, call a professional soonest. Standing water causes a wide range of problems, such as health risks, structural damage, and unpleasant living conditions. It attracts insects, vermin, and bacteria that carry life-threatening diseases like E. coli, Zika virus, and more. Tackling the problem in its early stages to prevent these problems is crucial. Ensure your drainage inside and outside your house is working properly and nothing leaks water. Keep your family safe by preventing standing water from forming in or around your house. And when you notice something out of the ordinary, call SERVPRO of South and Northwest Grand Rapids at 616-622-9700.